Hey guys, Ryan from Spyker Workshop here again with the Rally Cat that I'm testing out. It is very freaking cold out today, so I'm going to avoid setting up the tripod. Sorry if the camera is shaky throughout this, but it is negative 35 wind chill right now, and I think negative 16 without wind chill. So it's slightly cold. But this thing I just brought outside, it probably isn't that temperature yet, the cat. Oops. Oops, that's a tree. One thing is, it's very hard to steer on sliding or like slippery surfaces like this. I have an exponential set on my radio, so it's not as sensitive, but it's still difficult to keep it in a straight line because it just has so much power to turn. It's actually easier to drive once it's through like snow. Yeah, this thing tips over a lot, but I think it's because it's pretty top heavy, at least compared to the other cat. Oops, that doesn't sound right. Oh, one of the wheels just got on the wrong side there, looks like. Sorry for the shaky camera again. It's just too cold to do anything else. I'm trying to stay warm-ish. Yeah, I think it's time to go. I'm freaking cold. So here's after bringing it in from that run. Everything looks good on it still. The motor temps are still really cool, or they're not cool, but they're like mid-range temperature, I guess. They're not burning hot and they're not warm. So I think I can get some more speed out of this if I just change the gearing up some more. But I thought I'd show you guys just the thing running in the air. It's got a lot of freaking power to it for how fast those motors spin. It's pretty crazy. Compared to my last video I made yesterday, I rearranged the inside a little bit. I put those caps, or I took these things off. This is what the snowblower or other attachments would fit on. And I put the other caps in there, and I see just a couple water drops in the inside, probably just from snow slipping in through the cracks and stuff. And then I put all the important electronics in the bag, just temporarily. And then I also made the LiPo centered in the middle, because it used to be running this way, so it was a little bit more back heavy, but now it's the center of gravity slightly more towards the middle. Yeah, I think that was pretty much it that I wanted to cover on it. I'm not sure what my plan is with this too. Like I'll come out with some sort of kit that you can buy if you want to. Like I'll have a kit with the certain springs that I use and the different printed parts if you want to order those from me. But I'm not sure when I'll get around to actually listing those. I still might want to do one more revision to these things, just to tweak like a couple more things. Like you can still hear a lot of noise as it's moving around. The springs, the extension springs, when it bottoms out, I think sometimes the track guide pins actually grab on the spring and make that sound. So I was gonna maybe try to figure out some other way to mount the spring on there, just to get it out of the way of the track. But it works pretty good right now. Yeah, and with the battery just up a little bit, I have just a little bit more rear suspension. Let me show you guys from the side view. There's my cat enjoying the snow. Yeah, it's about as much suspension as like that Scorpion I made. Obviously that's a smaller scale, but it works almost the same. So yeah, let me know what you guys think, and yeah, let me know if you want me to test some other type of terrain or something. once the snow melts, I'll bring this back out, of course, to try it in like the dirt and stuff. But yeah, thanks for watching.